6 months from now, you'll either be proud of what you built or embarrassed that you did nothing. This video decides which one happens. Most people believe 6 months is a short window, but 6 months of focused effort can completely change how you look and how you live. I'll show you exactly how. This isn't a quick hype talk that fades while you keep scrolling. This is a clear breakdown of how to rebuild your life over the next 180 days. No empty sayings, just practical structure. If you apply what I'm about to share with consistency, not perfection, your body improves, your thinking sharpens, your finances respond, and the same people who doubted you start asking for answers. This is the 6-month framework. Let's begin. Step 1. Shifting your identity. Real change starts here. You don't upgrade your life by forcing routines. You upgrade it by redefining who you believe you are. You have to let go of the version of you that accepts less, delays action, and only consumes instead of producing. That version is done. Change how you speak. Change how you think. Start behaving like the person you're becoming before you fully arrive there. Each morning, ask yourself, what would my best self choose today? Hit snooze, or get up, make the bed, train, read a few pages, and sharpen a skill? Who you are shapes what you do. What you do creates outcomes. Outcomes reinforce who you are. That loop is how a new version of you is built. Step 2. Physical upgrade. If you don't manage your body, it will manage you. A weak body leads to poor focus. A strong body supports better choices, discipline, and confidence. For the next 6 months, train at least 4 times a week. Aim for 8 to 10,000 steps a day. Prioritize protein. Avoid extreme dieting, and keep sugar and junk to weekends only. Treat sleep like a performance tool. Your body is the first visible signal of progress. Others will notice. You'll see it in the mirror, feel it in your energy, and hear it in your voice. Improving your body builds self-respect, and that discipline spills into every part of life. This isn't about aesthetics, it's about capability. Step 3. Designing your environment. You won't rise in a space designed to keep you stuck. Look at your room. Does it support progress or distraction? Check your phone. Is it helping you or holding you back? Look at your circle. Do they push you forward or pull you down? Your surroundings should make winning easier. Start now. Organize your space like it actually matters. Remove apps that drain your attention. Follow people who raise your standards. Reduce time with anyone who mocks your goals. Build a workspace that makes focus automatic. Success isn't driven by motivation alone. It's driven by friction. Make good habits easier. Make bad habits harder. Your environment shapes you. Step 4. Accelerating skills. With the basics locked in, it's time to build value. Choose one skill, not several. Writing, editing, content, UGC, sales, coding, design. It doesn't matter which. What matters is depth. Enter the cycle. Learn, apply, get feedback, adjust, repeat. For 6 months, stop just consuming. Start producing. Reach out, create, work with clients, make mistakes in public, and improve faster than most. The world rewards execution, not information. This is where income appears. This is where chances come to you. This is when you stop watching others succeed and start seeing results yourself. Step 5. Recalibrating your circle. As you change, your relationships must adjust too. You don't need to erase everyone, but you do need balance. More time with builders, less time with complainers. Speak with intention. Improve your posture. Make eye contact. Stop seeking approval. Focus on providing value. Learn how to connect. Notice people. Ask questions instead of trying to impress. Because the truth is this: the right network can speed up your growth more than any program ever could. Be around people who make improvement normal. 6 months from now, you could be stronger, sharper, surrounded by better influences, equipped with a real skill, and living as a new identity. Or you could be in the same spot, scrolling, hoping, telling yourself, someday. The difference isn't luck, it's follow-through. If you're ready to start your 6-month chapter, comment, "I'm in." Make it public. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, I'm rooting for you, even from a distance.